All right, how you doing today? Today we're taking a look at Cobra Fuzz by Safari Petals. Cool saturation fuzz pedal. Very simple layouts. We got the control, we got the sustain knob, we got the output, we got the tone knob, we got the width adjustment as well. Let's take a look at this thing in further depth. As you heard in the intro, we played it on some drums, 4 different input settings or distortion settings, saturation, fuzz, whatever you want to call it. Let's take a look at it further here. Here we have it on guitar, bypassed first. And of course we got the blend knob here so we could blend it in, tone knob, and the different gains as we said before. So that's pretty cool. Let's test it out on some other things here. Bass before. So as you can see, you can do some subtle things and you can get really crazy with it as well. So really cool saturation, extra tone, harmonics, whatever you want to call them. And of course, you could take it too far as well. So let's test it out on some vocals, just for fun. Now I got the vocals running through the Xbox Pro here as well. I turned off the effects, got some reverb, dynamic, all that stuff. I got the Cobra Fuzz going before that. Let's do it before. Actually, we got the bypass right there.
We wrestled for reality as you twisted fast. Nothing left to see here, there's no going back.
Turn it on.
We wrestled for reality as you twisted fast. Nothing left to see here, there's no going back. All that pushing and shoving, sabotaging the trust. Only truth left is there's no more us, no more.
Now we got the background vocals in there as well. And we have a blend knob and we have the width knob. The width knob we can mess around with here too. This would probably be better for some rock and aggressive music, more aggressive music, but you could use it as effects and even your background vocals to do some crazy stuff.
We wrestled for reality as you twisted fast. Nothing left to see here, there's no going back. All that pushing and shoving, sabotaging the trust. Only truth left is there's no more us, no more. We wrestled for reality as you twisted fast. Nothing left to see here.
And then you do got some vocal presets. Let's check this one out.
We wrestled for reality as you twisted fast. Nothing left to see here, there's no going back. All that pushing and shoving, sabotaging the trust. Only truth left is there's no more us.
All right, so we could do some subtle stuff. We could do some extreme stuff, all kind of fun stuff. Vocals, drums, bass. Try it on different instruments, keyboards, whatever you want. Try it on synth bass. I think there's some presets for that. Yeah, there's all kind of different presets in here. I don't even know how many, there's a bunch. So check it out. Let me know if any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Please do subscribe to the channel. I have hundreds of other videos in my back catalog. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.